Hello everybody. Today we're gonna install a rear camera for Fiat Egea or Fiat Tipo as we call it in Europe. So the camera type that we are going to install is a wireless camera, and you can see the transmitter and the receiver for the wireless camera. The good point with this wireless stuffs is that you don't need to use long wires. So you put the receiver behind the radio and the transmitter close to the camera behind the car. So we're gonna remove the radio and connect the wireless transmitter right now. You just need to put this thing behind here and push it right like this. This is the first step. You should start from here, and then you have some clamps here and also at the bottom. And you just you only need to remove it like this, and like the clamps here, you have a similar one here. So you only need to pull it out, as you can see. Here you have the clamps that should be pulled out. Now we remove it and we have access to the radio. You have some screws here, four screws. I guess number 20 maybe. Yes, number 20 will work for that. This is the CAN bus, the main connector, GPS antenna, and the 4G antenna or SIM card antenna. And here, this is the SIM card slot. If I find it here, yeah, this one. So this is the Chinese Hiçbir radio, and you have a brown wire here. This brown wire, sorry, not this one. This brown wire that is connected to this connector and the CAN bus. So if you connect this red wire of the receiver, okay, the red wire of receiver, if you connect it to this brown wire, and the black one to the body of the car, or to one of these black wire here, for example this one, which carries a negative, then the job is done here. So what I've done is that I connected the receiver, the wireless receiver, directly into the harnesses, into the connectors. So I didn't cut any wire, and I think this is the first time that you see a video like that. Actually, I removed these electrodes, actually the brown one and the black one from the harness by using this simple needle here. It's really easy. You just need to push it here, and then you can remove it, and then you can if I can zoom, and then you can add the black wire of receiver to this black wire and push it again. So actually I didn't cut anything. I just connected the wireless receivers wires to the harness poles. One with the brown, as you can see, the red, the narrow red wire is connected to the brown, and the black one is connected to the black one. So we're gonna test it right now to see if I put the gear in reverse, this wireless should be turned on. We'll test it. Well, I believe that it's working, so the job is done here, and we can test it. We can test it to see if I change the gear from reverse to neutral. Yes, it's now turned off. And if I change it to reverse, yes, it's working. I'm gonna show you that we have voltage here on the brown wire, 10.5, which is good, and everything is okay. So you can see that it's like on, and now we should connect the yellow RCA to the input to the reverse video input or camera input, which is this one. Final test before setting the camera behind the car. Yes, so no signal, and it's normal. This is actually the original place of the camera, but the camera that we bought from AliExpress, it should be installed instead of one of these lights. So we are using the left one, which is closest to the left wires, and then you should connect it to the reverse wires here. If I can show you. Okay, I connected this voltmeter to the body, and then I removed the harness from the driver's side. It is back of Fiat Tipo, Fiat Egea. Now we can test, now that the gear is in reverse, so I can detect which wire is reverse. As you can see, the second wire is for the reverse, so not the blue one, the second one here. Now I remove them like what I did for the radio. I remove them, I connect the wires, and I will show you after. Yes, it's working. Now we change the gear to neutral. I'm gonna put it in place. So everything is behind. There are huge amount of space behind the radio, so everything can be pushed, and you don't need actually to hurt the radio or cut any wire. Fixed, and the reverse gear is working well. The rear camera. So I had to displace the transmitter because the signal was weak because of this metal barrier. So now